Oh, this cute brown thing that I'm looking to wear tomorrow. Get along with the voices inside of my head. You trying to save me, stop holding your breath. Yeah, you think I'm crazy. Yeah, you think I'm crazy. Well, that's not that. Okay, we found it. We made it. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my vlog. I'm Delightful Tando. I hope you're having a wonderful morning and I hope you have a wonderful day if you're watching this during the day. So I'm in Durban on leave, thank the Lord. We're on our way to Gateway and stay tuned, enjoy. Have a good one. My flurry time. Okay. Okay, just came out of Mr. Sky Sports, didn't really find what we needed. Now we're going to Sportsman's Warehouse. Sportsman's Warehouse. This is our third store, looking for workout clothes because some of them are just so expensive. We're not willing to spend that much. Spoke too soon. They don't have workout stuff. Wah, wah, wah. Oh, this cute brown thing that I'm looking to wear tomorrow. Bestie's choice are these ones. So in Friendship Solidarity, I ended up going with this option. It has a brown. The red goes better with my Bestie's outfits. Should I get this cap? This has it going hiking. Will like cover most of me. Because it's hot tomorrow, it's like 29 degrees. Done with our shopping spree that cost us over 1,000. I shouldn't even be saying that because some people were thinking, umuntu nemali, guys. Favorite place to be, the Panda store. Now looking for a fresh pair of press-ons with some lovely options here. Those are cute. These are the options I got. Show me your besties. Yeah, these are my besties. If you watched my previous vlog, these are the chopsticks I was talking about that I absolutely love and remind me of my childhood. Done at Panda Store, got us some cute ass nails. And what else did we get again? I'll just show you when I get home. Now we're gonna go find some hair piece for my bestie at like a salon because they were charging like 75 rand for lonely London hairpiece. Like if you know, you know, that's insane. Like the markup that they put on it is absolutely crazy. Guys, I went back to Lana Langa Panty. Like we went to a salon here in Gateway, that's by the rank. But charge 65 rand for lonely London hairpiece. Malbezi little hairpiece 55 rand. But usually, well, 50 rand if you go to the right places. But don't do that to people, guys. The economy is bad. Do better. Quick stop for some munchies, you know, help with the hunger. Got some samosas. some chicken and beef samosas. Lost in Giva Gorge. What's new? Always getting lost. But anyway, yeah, we're waiting for our car to take us to the right. With the voices inside of my head, you trying to save me, stop holding your breath. Yeah, you think I'm crazy. Yeah, you think I'm crazy. Well, that's nothing. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. To go out more and to just explore nature, because look at the beautiful views and the beautiful mountainous scenery that we have in South Africa. And look at this Durban alone. You don't know what Mpumalanga, Eastern Cape has.
Yeah.
Such beautiful things. So whenever you're feeling overwhelmed mentally or life is getting like a bit too much, go to nature. To unwind. These are the frequency that you need to. What's it Look at that back tattoo. Look at that.
Look at us flying over with the balloon.
Hey.
We out here with some military soldiers. Look at us fighting like we bunch of troops.
Hey.
We can never lose. We only win, never lose.
Hey. Let's put some bars, mince some words, and see what we come up with.
He's around, walking around. You're hearing the sound, birds and everything around. Birds and fishes and cows.
And chives. Waters and rocks, grass and sand and mud.
It's nice, it's sunny.
It's hot, it's funny.
I might see a bunny.
Oh no, that ain't one, honey. Look behind you.
I wanna be with you, and I wanna be with I wanna be with you. Me just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind,
I still want to see you go up that rock.
Which rock? That one?
Yeah.
Is there a way to climb it up?
Yeah, from the side. Okay, this rock looks smaller on video, but trust me, guys.
Yeah,
With my knee problem.
this is for you conquering your knee.
Yeah.
Serious.
Victory.
Conquering.
You're brave, Yakinisa.
Yeah.
Champion, champion,
Champion.
champion.
How do I get down?
Make it wider, baby. Hey. On top of the world. Make it wider.
Woo!
Wider. Oh, fuck. As you can see, I'm standing on the high. This is actually a valley, Angit.
Yeah.
This is a valley. So right now we are in this valley at Giva Gorge, and we're about to go up this mountain. Make sure to stay tuned to see the waterfall. See we waterfall, Angit?
Yes.
Waterfalls.
Yes.
In every war, there's injuries.
How are you feeling? We are almost at the top of this hill right here.
I'm proud, you know. climb the whole hill today. That's an
Without
achievement.
hydrating ourselves.
No
Abang.
water, nothing.
Siphezulu
They're the falls.
komhlaba.
I'm not hearing a man.
I'm not hearing it.
Amanzi ashayele ezantsi.
If only.
Yeah, maybe you need to go high. Cause I
Oh
mean,
my higher.
you lied when you said a bed.
I feel like you're back up. You have a fish and when you went over, it feels weird.
Oh my gosh, look at this shady bridge that we have to cross over just to get to the other side.
You can literally still walk in.
This looks scary.
Still walk. It's like in there for you.
Okay, it's pretty stable.
Yeah, but it's steady.
Yeah. But you need to be careful because there's
Watch your
gaps
steps. Watch your steps.
and all rusty metals sticking out, so be careful. Oh, there's 2 bridges. 2. Oh, wow. You can do this.
We
So
can
you
do
did it.
We did it. We did it.
He did it.
We
We
done
did
did
it. We did it. Yeah.
We done and went ahead and did it.
Let's pass through the. Let's go see the Wizard of Oz or the Lion of Narnia.
It's real hiking.
It is, yo. We are finished. We are finished. Yo. And this is just the beginning of our hiking trail. On the search for a waterfall continues.
We're getting close to this water there. Abo?
Yeah.
There's a lot of water now. Upstream. Nika, take.
This is very cool. Hiking like within the trees.
Yeah.
How are you Oaks feeling? The waterfall is coming. That guy said a little bit of a climb.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Tired of this, Grandpa.
Too damn bad!
Do you guys hear water? I think we found it, guys. Oh, excuse me. Yo, injury number 20,000. Guys, we're getting close to the waterfall. Our natural instincts are kicking in.
Being delusional is
can
one of the
sense
key factors
water.
to be happy.
What type of mushrooms are they?
I don't know. I think you'd have to.
Do you
what
think
is
if
it?
I touch them, then
No, they could be poisonous.
ini nabantu abamnyama niyasaba ukuthinta nature.
What if it's poisonous?
So how we poisonous? If you know we phela poisonous will affect.
How do you feel?
Yeah, I feel good, man. This is I'm in my element right
Guys, please check on him 24 hours later.
now. 24 hours later.
Okay, so it turns out our natural instincts are kind of wonky because we are still walking looking for the waterfall. You said you can hear water. Where is it now? Yeah, I'm fine. Now you're changing your statement. No, I'm good. Yeah. I'm short, but I mean, I can make my way down things. Now we're like fully seeing the highway. Now you're fully seeing the highway.
Siyongena kulawa mahlathi lawa yani. Basically right now. Itambusha Trail.
I'm not sure if we're still on the same trail.
We are, because it's been the
Yeah,
only
it's the
like
same
available trail, so we need to go down.
It's a long trail.
Oh, wish us luck.
Woo! Let's go. Yes.
Watermelon break.
This is the
Break needed.
And I had a
Hydration, so we
dry
forgot water.
Hey, so now we are too tall. That would be 1.58. Kayla. We have to bend because we are just too tall for such trees. Hey, guys.
But you're not short enough to do this.
Tomato, tomato, oh, tomato, tomato.
Do it.
I'm not even
Be careful. I'm even gonna take off my glasses today.
Hey,